Hey there, I'm Santina with WTI. I am so excited to tell you about this OK Coconut Leave-In Conditioner. So as a girl with curls, I find that my hair gets really easily tangled, and after coming out of the shower and drying, it sometimes has a really rough texture. This leave-in conditioner really helps me with both of those issues. So all I do is use a very little bit. I find that a little really works marvelously. And I spread it all through my hair using my fingers, and then very gently finger comb out any tangles that I have. And that's pretty much it. After this is in, I can use any styling cream or gel that I want, and I feel like my hair comes out so nice. It feels smoother, it gets less tangled, and it's just fabulous. You can see this is my hair here. I just washed it today and used this product, and I'm really happy with it. And that's my point of view.